वेलकम टू क्विज पॉइंट। क्विज पॉइंट में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ वोकैब सेक्शन। आज हम वोकैब सेक्शन के कुछ क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। सब्सक्राइब अस ऑन यूट्यूब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। फॉलो अस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, लाइक आवर फेसबुक पेज क्विज पॉइंट। Our first word is hinterland. Find the synonym of hinterland. And our options are barren land, city, open field, back country. हमारा पहला शब्द है हिंटरलैंड। हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं बैरन लैंड, सिटी, ओपन फील्ड, बैक कंट्री। एंड आवर आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, बैक कंट्री। मीनिंग ऑफ हिंटरलैंड इज अ रीजन रिमोट फ्रॉम अर्बन एरियाज। आवर नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज स्वैथ। फाइंड द सिनोनिम ऑफ स्वैथ। आवर ऑप्शंस आर स्विंग, लेजी, ओपन, बाइंड। हमारा दूसरा शब्द है स्वैथ। हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं स्विंग, लेजी, ओपन, बाइंड। And our answer is option D, bind. Meaning of swath is bind, wrap. Our next word is camaraderie. Find the synonym of word camaraderie. And our options are command, cancel, friendship, gossip. Command, cancel, friendship, gossip. हमारा अगला शब्द है camaraderie और हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं command, cancel, friendship, gossip. And our answer is option C, friendship. Meaning of camaraderie is a feeling of friendship and trust among a group of people who work together. A feeling of friendship and trust among a group of people who work together. Our next word is paramount. Find the synonym of word paramount. And our options are dull, perilous, abducted, supreme. हमारा अगला शब्द है paramount और हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं डल, पेरिलियस, एब्डक्टेड, सुप्रीम। And our answer is option D, supreme. Meaning of paramount is most important. Meaning of paramount is most important. Our next word is oblivious. Find the synonym of oblivious. And our options are unaware, determined, very serious, sick. हमारा अगला शब्द है oblivious। हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं unaware, determined, very serious, sick. And our answer is option A, unaware. Meaning of oblivious is not realizing what is happening around you. Meaning of oblivious is not realizing what is happening around you. Our next word is cynosure. Find the synonym of word cynosure. And our options are imperative, center of attraction, noise, devastated. हमारा अगला शब्द है cynosure। हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं imperative, center of attraction, noise, devastated. And the answer is option B, center of attraction. Meaning of cynosure, a person or thing that is center of attraction. A person or thing that is the center of attraction. Our next word is nimble, and our options are slow, agile, clear, weak. Find the synonym of word nimble, and our options are slow, agile, clear, weak. हमारा अगला शब्द है nimble. हमारे options हैं slow, agile, clear, weak. And our answer is option B, agile. Meaning of nimble is able to move quickly and lightly. Able to move quickly and lightly. Our next word is duplicity. Find the synonym of word duplicity, and our options are reckon, to betray someone, ravenous, onus. हमारा अगला शब्द है duplicity. हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं reckon, to betray someone, ravenous, onus. And our answer is option B, to betray someone. Meaning of duplicity is dishonest behavior. Meaning of duplicity is dishonest behavior. Our next word is ravage. Find the synonym of word ravage. And our options are run, ruin, conserve, rest. हमारा अगला शब्द है ravage और हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं run, ruin, conserve, rest. And our answer is option B, ruin. Meaning of ravage is cause severe and extreme damage. Cause severe and extreme damage. Our next word is bleak. Find the synonym of word bleak. And our options are truth, hopeful, similar, unfavorable. एंड आवर ऑप्शंस आर ट्रूथ, होपफुल, सिमिलर, अनफेवरेबल। हमारा अगला शब्द है ब्लीक। हमारे ऑप्शंस हैं ट्रूथ, होपफुल, सिमिलर, अनफेवरेबल। And our answer is option D, unfavorable. Meaning of bleak is not encouraging or hopeful. Not encouraging or hopeful.